Why, please, Lordship. Lordship, we received the paper book. Matter may be fixed. Yes.
Can list it for hearing?
Hearing, Lordship.
Yes. The learned counsels for both the parties are present. It is submitted that paper book has been received by both the parties. In view of the above, list this matter for hearing after 2 weeks of the
Please.
date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply, Lordship.
What about the appellant?
Two, none appeared for the petitioner. None appears
None
for the
appears, my lord.
petitioner on court. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Madam Abba.
After 2 weeks. Service upon respondent number 2, is it?
Complete.
Pardon? Service upon respondent number
Yes.
2. It's complete?
The victim is
Okay.
his wife.
So who is representing? Respondent number 2?
They have,
Anyone?
perhaps they have filed a wakalat. I'm for the state, Your Lordship. Their name is reflecting in the call list.
Okay, so. But none appeared for respondent number 2.
Yeah, although they have filed the wakalat now as per the office.
Name shown?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then we can list.
Matter hearing, you can take it.
Yes, after, Your Lordship, maybe after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss S. V.
Darang.
Darang, learned amicus curiae for the appellant is present along with Mr. D. Ete, learned additional PP for the state respondents. None appeared for respondent number 2, though it is seen that a wakalatnama has been filed in respect of to represent respondent number 2. In view of the above, it is seen that paper book is received and copies to be duly furnished to the learned counsels for both the parties. List for hearing after 3 weeks on the date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
What's the matter about?
My lord, virus of the Arunachal Pradesh Secretary Service rules are under challenge.
Are we inclined to take up the hearing? Or will list it for some other bench? Is it going to be a lengthy hearing?
Yes,
Challenging the rules. So can we list it the week after?
my lord, as per the learned, it is convenient, I am
There's
here.
no great urgency matter.
I'll leave it to your lordships.
The learned counsels for both the parties are present because this bench is not going to sit
Yes.
again in the next.
The factual aspects also.
However, due to paucity of time, list the matter on, let's fix a date on a Monday or something so that there'll be ample time. Maybe on 4th November, is it convenient? Then that bench, whichever bench, okay.
That week I'm completely tied up.
Okay, so as per your, tell me, when will you be?
19th November. 19th of November.
Then there'll be, even if a new bench is constituted, I think they will still have time. Okay, list on 19, 11, 20.
Oh,
Yes.
right.
Submission to my ladyship is that I'm an outstation lawyer, my lord.
Yes,
If my lord permits, I am filing the writ petition today. If my lord, it is convenient to my lord, it can be listed tomorrow, my lord.
what is the urgency? in the
Urgency,
matter?
my lord, promotion is held up. Because of the issuance of the memorandum, promotion is, they are not allowed to hold the next rank. So I'm challenging the memorandum, my lord.
We'll list it tomorrow.
I'll be deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, madam? Well, I beg to mention item number 23, madam.
Hearing.
Yes, I have taken consent from the other side, madam.
Mr.
M. Doji, my lord.
M. Doshi has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent of the learned counsel for the respondent. In view of the above, list the matter after
After 2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
All right.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 11 to 16, my lord, is connected. No, my lord,
All connected?
at number 11,
11 is straight.
12,
Yes.
12 and 14, 15, 16, my lord. Except 13, my lord.
Okay,
11,
and
12,
Huh.
14, 15 and 16, my
11
lord.
and 12, you are for the?
My lord, I'm for the state
respondent.
respondent, my lord.
So what about the
lord,
petitioners? Have you
petitioner.
taken the consent?
Yes. But
Okay,
in the 11, item number 11, 12, 14 and 15.
okay.
I'm the
Yes,
petitioner.
Mr.
Already, my lord, affidavit has been filed. So can we fix a fixed date for admission hearing, my lord, on 19th of November?
Okay, for 11 and 12.
11, 12, 14 and 15.
Okay,
Up
anyway,
to 16, my lord.
anyway, so same councils?
No,
No,
item number
other-
16 is
Let's do,
16 is
let's do
different.
one by one, 11 and 12, okay?
11,
Mr.
12.
So and so, learned counsel for the petition is present along with Mr. So and so, learned standing counsel for health department. So, the learned counsels for both the parties submit that pleadings are complete, is it?
Pleading,
Is it complete?
my lord,
They have filed the affidavit.
We have filed
I
the
have filed my
affidavit.
reply also.
rejoinder part certain.
I have filed.
You have
Lordship,
filed your
filed.
rejoinder?
Lordship, I
11 and 12.
appear for APPSC. Here, Lordship, we are not filing
You're
affidavit
not
as,
filing?
as because it's a single line affidavit,
Huh.
wherein we have already conducted and we have already selected.
Okay, so pleadings
no,
are complete?
No issue, my lord.
Complete in view of the above, the matter may be listed for admission hearing
On 19th.
19/11/2024. Okay, now 14, 15 and 16.
Yes. Same.
Again, same councils?
Same.
Okay, same order? Pleadings are complete?
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Complete? Okay, same order. For these matters on 19. Okay. Now 16.
16, my lord, 16 also connected matter, they've also consulted, let it be fixed on same.
Okay, but are pleadings complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's the counsel for the?
We filed a
petitioner?
counter affidavit, ma'am.
So are they going to file their rejoinder? Who is the counsel for the petitioner? Anyways, Mr. T. Tagam, learned standing counsel for
Health Department, ma'am.
Health Department has prayed for adjournment of the matter and submits that consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner has been taken. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
My lord,
We'll see if they want to file their
Yes, ma'am.
rejoinder or not. No.
deeply obliged.
Yes.
May I lordship, my lord, I beg to mention a writ petition to be listed for tomorrow, my lord. There is a urgency,
Unlisted, what? Writ petition?
yes,
On
to
what
be listed
grounds?
for tomorrow, my lord.
Why? What is the?
Because there is a urgency, this is regarding the establishment of headquarter, district
Ah.
headquarter. Instruction is sought from the government. It was listed 3 weeks before or 4 weeks before. So, for tomorrow, my lord, just for
Okay,
orders.
Let's see, tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, your lordship.
13, yes.
Yes, your lordship. I have taken consent from the other party also, your lordship.
Okay, Mr.
E. Menjo, your lordship.
E.
Your lordship, similar matter is fixed on 6th of November, your lordship.
Okay. Mentioned learned counsel for the petition.
Petitioner, your lordship.
Has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent of the learned counsel for the respondent. In view of the above, as prayed for, list on 6th,
6th of
11th, November,
Yes, your lordship.
2020.
Similar matter is fixed on, similar matter number is WPC 344.
They're not clubbed together.
Okay.
Let's do the same thing, huh?
Your lordship, one more item, that is item number 22, your lordship.
22.
Yes, your lordship.
Huh.
Same prayer, your lordship.
Okay. Same order.
Much obliged.
My lord, I have filed 5 applications yesterday, but today it was unlisted. So, it's great to hear the matter today. It is, this matter is, nature is same as to the item number 567, order will be same,
No, but they have not been clubbed together, isn't it? So what is the application?
WPC,
You have filed okay. So let it come up. It's been listed for tomorrow.
no, it has not been listed. It should be listed today itself, but, it was not, it was unlisted, A little bit urgency is there in this case, that is why, it's great to.
What is the urgency? What are the
Actually, my lord, it is a transfer case, So the impugn order has given 7 days to the petitioner.
for listing tomorrow?
Okay.
Isn't it?
My lord, I'm praying for an accommodation today, my lord. There is some information which I've received just now. In this item number 1 and item number 4 would be connected. If your lordship takes up this matter on Tuesday next, my lord.
Number 1 is a contempt case.
Is a
against
contempt?
A judgment order. Number 4 is
As a repetition,
Uh,
it's connected. Why? There is an order which was passed by this honorable court whereby a direction was given to the secretary of the RWD, my lord. And violating that order, they have proceeded with the tender process. And therefore, we have filed the writ petition. Along with that, this is a contempt because the direction was disobeyed.
Okay,
But I'll require some further instruction, my lord, which I have.
okay. Heard Mr.
B. Kaushik, my lord.
B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that this matter is connected with the WPC 468, is it?
My lord.
/2024, and has therefore prayed that these matters may be clubbed together and listed after 2 weeks.
No, my lord, can they take up next Tuesday, my lord? Next Tuesday or Wednesday, anything?
Can we make it on a Monday? Next to next Monday, maybe listed on
28, 29 or 30, my lord. Because we have an urgency in this matter where we have prayed for stay of the tender process. But due to some information which I've received from my learned friend appearing for the department, I'll have to complete my instruction.
On what's Tuesday?
Tuesday is 29.
On 29?
29.
Yeah, 11/20/24, since the
29.
learned counsel submits
10,
that.
my lord. 29, 10.
10/20/24, since the learned counsel submits that, he needs to get instructions in the
Well.
matter. List on, so and so.
Grateful, my lord. Hello, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship,
Say that list these matters. Okay?
may it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, I have instruction not to press this application, my lord.
Oh, you don't want to press, what is it about?
My lord, this is, we have challenged the.
This, my lord, may go through order dated 13/9/2024.
13/9.
2024. I am not against withdrawal,
Okay,
but
it's concerning what? Some representation? Or what?
Yes.
Authorization letter.
Yes.
Okay, since they want to press and withdraw, we'll allow.
no, my lord, I have no objection regarding withdrawal, but some exemplary course has to be imposed, this case.
Pardon?
Course has to be imposed.
My lord,
Because they say that by filing additional affidavit, they stated that he was not authorized by the proprietor of the firm to represent his firm in the tender process. And this honorable court has directed me to place on record
But
that
that,
he was authorized person. So I have filed additional affidavit.
So what is the matter about?
He misled the court.
Wait, let me see.
Order dated 13/9 is clear.
Okay, there's an agreement entered between the parties.
yes.
Is it? So now, It appears that in the agreement, the petitioner it is not the present petitioner who had entered into the agreement signed or what?
No, my lord, there was
Some
a
confusion?
confusion is that, my lord, they have stated that the person who have come before this honorable court has also participated in the tender process against some other firm, my lord, which was also in the tender list, my lord.
Okay, we'll dispose of, no need of cost, since it's clear, isn't it? Heard, Mr.
P. Bora.
P.
P. Bora.
P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he wishes to withdraw the instant writ petition since the petitioners no longer wish to pursue the matter. Mr.
G. Tarak.
G. Tarak, learned standing counsel for RWD department is present and has not objected to the withdrawal, but submits that cost may be imposed in the matter. Having heard the submissions by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court find it fit to allow the withdrawal of the instant writ petition. And accordingly, the state PC number 355/2024 stands disposed of on withdrawal, no cost imposed.
Deeply understood.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm acted by the impugn order. Lordship, kindly come to page number 32.
What is the matter about?
Page number 32 at serial number 64, that is page number 35. It is a gazette notification.
Okay, you're against the impugned order, page?
Page number 63. Annex 53.
63.
Yes.
Okay, the petition is against an order number 63. What's wrong with?
Lordship,
The
as per
order?
the gazette notice, I have been absorbed as APURE. At page number 35.
35?
Yes, 35, my lord would see. Serial number 64.
Right, 35,
Serial number 64.
Okay, in page number 35, you are serial number?
64.
Pardon?
That is, my name is reflected in the last, as I have been absorbed as APURE in the payment of
Page
such and
number
such.
35?
35.
Writ petition.
35.
So in page number 35 of your writ petition, a list of names is shown.
Yes.
Your
at
serial number?
64.
54.
64.
Okay, 64.
Yes.
You are 64.
Yes, it's written COME, the district post is APURE, pay band is there, and petitioner name is there. So, Lordship, kindly come to
So you are
the gazette.
You are Talu Galim?
Yes,
Okay.
the petitioner. The gazette says, the governor of Arunachal Pradesh, is page number 33. The governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order for absorption, I have been absorbed, of 588 employees of District Rural Development Agencies, DRDS, Arunachal Pradesh, in their own grade and scale
You're
of
reading
pay.
from which page now?
Page number 33.
33. Okay, let's be on the same page because I cannot understand.
This is the order, gazette
Okay.
notification. I have been absorbed. The governor of Arunachal Pradesh is pleased to order for absorption of 588 posts with employees of District Rural Development Agencies, Arunachal Pradesh, in their own grade and scale of pay, as shown in Annexure 1, in the Department of Rural Development, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, as dying cadre post. That means dying cadre post means the moment if I retire from the post, if I die,
Okay.
the post goes.
Post goes,
So until unless I'm in the post is there, and I'm absorbed by the state government by this very gazette notification. Now, what happened when after this gazette notification, I have been absorbed as APURE. Now, kindly come to page number 63, the impugn order.
Okay, 63.
Yes, the director. Last page, Annexure 15. Order in pursuance of government order number such and such, dated such and such, and subsequent approval accorded by Deputy Commissioner, Leparada District Basar, Sri such and such, this is private respondent, CD, who is EO, Extension Officer, CEO block bursar is hereby allowed to hold the charge of APORE Leparada district bursar in his own grade and scale of pay in addition to his normal duty. He is already there as EO, extension officer, and he has been given charge of my post. I have already joined in the post in the month of June. So this is contradictory with the gazette notification.
So is it affecting your pay? So two people will perform the same duty, is it?
Yes.
But you're getting your pay?
I'm
Against the post?
it is only of 8th of October. The order is of 8th of October.
Huh.
So the pay is yet to be made in the month of November. So I'm nowhere, Lordship. Where am I? I doesn't exist. Very contradictory to the gazette notification.
There's only one post.
Yes, one post, APORE. In a district, there is only one post.
Huh.
So
you're
in
also
place of me,
posted there.
in
Huh.
place of me, the private respondent has been given the extra charge of APORE. His substantive capacity is extension officer RE. Additional charge of APORE.
So two people will be doing the work, then you'll have less work to do. It will be good for you.
What work would I do? I'm nowhere. As per this order, I'm nowhere. Let's kindly come.
Okay, anything to explain?
Yes,
They
my lord.
think there's one post, he's
My lord,
already there.
I will
and
clarify
then
everything.
additional charge.
I will clarify everything. Well, his substantial post is technical assistant IWDP. So he has not been promoted till then.
Oh, he's saying he's been promoted.
No, he has not been.
Absorbed
Now,
by the gazette
I will
notification.
stop.
Huh.
My lord, may please come to page 18. ma'am. Annexure 1, 18, 18.
1/8.
Yes, ma'am. Well, subject, ma'am, approval for look after the charge of APORE. Only for look after charge of APORE. Now, ma'am, I am directed to convey the approval of government for appointment of Sri Toli government, TA so and so, dear Alo, as in charge APORE against newly created COG. So his substantial post is TA, but he has been only allowed to hold the charge of APORE. Now, my lord, page 19, 19, my lord. Approval for extension. I am directed to convey the approval of government for continuation of Sri Toli government so and so as in charge APORE against newly created so and so for a period of 2 years. Now 2021, 25 January 2021.
Already over.
Over, ma'am. So there was only a clerical mistake in his transfer posting order.
Okay.
He has been mentioned as APORE. My lord, may again see page 35, my lord. Page 35, this gazette notification. There is some clerical mistake which will be corrected by the department, my lord.
Has it been corrected? Not yet.
There are mess, my lord, because all the DRDA has been absorbed. my lord. DRDA employees has been absorbed. my lord.
Anyway, so I think maybe.
Page, my lord, may please come page 35. Page 35. Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Here, my lord, may see serial number 60. APORE.
60.
Yes, ma'am. Page serial number 60.
Oh.
Yes, APORE payment, my lord, may see 15,600 so and so, 39,000 so and so. Now, my lord, may this also, my lord, 61 also APORE 15,000, Pasigat APORE 15,000 so and so, Leparada APORE 15,000 so and so. Omi APORE 9,300 plus, my lord. His pay grade is of TA, my lord. He is not a APORE, my lord. Pay grade is different, my lord, here. There is a clerical mistake, my lord. Only he has been mentioned as APORE.
He cannot be APO.
APORE, yes, my lord.
Because
He's
his
a
grade
TA.
is different. So
Yes,
they're
ma'am.
saying
So why the
there's a
payment is
clerical
also different, ma'am.
mistake.
Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
That is the clerical mistake because after the feeder
So
cadre.
this is,
No.
you're saying that it should not be 9,300, it should be 15,600.
No, my lord. His substantial post is TA. my
Because
lord.
I have
He
been
has not
absorbed
been
as
promoted,
APORE.
till date, my lord.
Anyway, this is the
Lordship,
motion stage.
Lordship, kindly.
Only notice may be
Counter
issued.
affidavit.
Yes, yes.
File a counter affidavit.
Lordship, till
And
then,
then maybe this confusion
where
can be
will
cleared.
I be till that?
You be where you are right now.
Yes,
It's
yes.
okay. You're not been transferred out, so you keep sitting, waiting for
No,
this mess to be cleared.
if Lordship can see the order, I have not mentioned anywhere.
So, but you just keep sitting where you are. You're not been transferred out also.
Yes.
Okay. Let this mess be cleared. I think there's some confusion. He's saying there's a mistake, clerical mistake.
Yes, since
So
I
we'll
am-
see whether it is actually a
Lordship,
clerical
Lordship,
mistake.
it's just the private aspirant is given the charge in charge post. I have already joined. kindly see, Lordship, my joining letter, my release letter.
So let them reply and address to your
But till
grievance, and then you have a.
Till then, I'm
Yeah.
there only.
Huh.
Till then,
Then-
Lordship.
So
Some
you
protection.
remind where you are.
Yes.
You don't have to go anywhere. You just keep sitting
Yes.
and waiting for this.
We will
written-
clarify everything.
This order is very,
In
very
the counter, okay? And in the counter, you can look at the counter, what is the stand, and then you can file your reply to that, and then the matter will become
at least
clear.
some observation for me, Lordship, because
Ah.
I'm nowhere.
He is in
You
TA
you
now.
are there, you are sitting there, you just
Yes.
remain in your place of posting, okay? Don't move out.
Some
just
observation
remain.
may be made. Some
What?
observation.
No observation, only notice.
So this is at the motion stage, we'll just issue notice first.
Yes.
Okay. Heard, Mr. Yes,
Yes,
you could-
Saxena.
so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition against the impugned order dated page
63.
8 October.
63.
Yes, 8 October 2024, wherein the respondent number, the private respondent
Private restaurant,
5.
5 has been posted,
to look after the charge,
has been
given additional charge,
okay, given additional charge as
APORE.
EORE.
APORE.
Okay, wait. Has given additional charge, okay, of APO within brackets RE, Leparada District, Basar, in his own grade and scale of pay, in addition to his normal duty as EO within brackets RE, CD block, Basar, till the posting of regular APO within brackets RE, full stop, okay. The learned counsel submits that the said impugned order dated 18/10/2024 is liable to be set aside since the present petitioner in the order dated 22nd February 2024 has already been given the post of, is it transferred or given additional?
Additional charge.
Additional charge of APO within brackets RE in the same district.
Lordship, if kindly peruse one annexure, Lordship will be very clear. Kindly
Where?
come to page number 54.
Page?
54.
54.
Yes. This is the communication by the project director of the said district to the director. He says regarding the posting of 2 APORE at Lepara district, Basar and clarification thereof. He says, with reference to above cited, it is informed that as per the government order number such and such, dated such and such, Sri Karsan Basar, that is the private respondent, CD block, who is already there, has been approved to look after the temporary charge of APORE under Basar, Lepara district in his own grade and scale of pay, till posting of regular APORE. And as per the government transfer order, I have been transferred from COB to Leparada in the month of June. Dated 21st February 2024, Sri Toli Gamli, that is the petitioner, has been posted at the office of project director, DRDA, RD office Basar, Leparada on 11 June. And subsequent upon posting of such order, the DC comes CEO Leparada. He has already been.
Yes, the learned counsel further submits that no steps have been taken by the respondents in spite of the letter dated 23 August 2024, written by the
Project director.
Project director,
Leparada.
RD, Leparada District, Basa, addressed to the Director, Rural Development Department, Itanagar, concerning the
Because I have the regular APORE.
concerning the confusion which was caused due to the impugned judge order dated, let's say.
8 October.
Impugned order, which was the impugned order
63.
page
63.
63,
8 October.
8/10/2024. Hearing the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petition, this court find it appropriate to issue notice to the respondents, Mr. So-and-so, learned
Standing counsel.
standing counsel for RWD.
RD.
RD department accepts notice on along with Miss.
Respondent.
Along with Miss, so-and-so learned government, advocate for respondents number three. To visit copies of the said, writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned council.
Within
for
2
the,
days.
Respondents, meanwhile, notice to be issued to registered post with AD. Within 3 days, returnable by 3 weeks to the private respondent number 5. Okay, as well as through usual process. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Obliged.
Yes.
My lord, last time it was already apprised. This, the matter is pertaining to tender, where the petitioner was class 4 contractor.
So it says,
The ground was not furnished as to which ground it was rejected. So therefore, the representation was submitted and representation has been not disposed by the respondent
okay,
authority.
so you have
That was the
made
case.
a representation.
Yes,
Where's the
yes, yes.
representation dated?
Representation dated
Where-
0. My lord, the representation is at page number 55 to 58.
Okay, so in this, so you have asked for the ground of rejection.
Yes, my lord.
So can we dispose of the writ petition at this stage? Issuing a direction to the respondents to reply to your representation made. This is 1710, very recent.
One is 1710 and one is 04.
Okay, 2 representations. So can we?
Yes, yes,
suppose
yes.
that This should be addressed to and
Yes, my lord.
within a period of maybe 3 weeks?
Yes, my lord.
Because it's been pending since October 04. Very recent. This month only you made 2 representations.
My lord, I have
So
some,
inform him, yes.
I have some information, my lord, that the petitioner has been, my lord, directed to withdraw the writ petition, my lord.
To withdraw.
Yes, my lord.
No, that issue was asked me few minutes back. So we have decided, and the petitioner himself has allowed asked me to stand again.
Oh, he had withdrawn. He had withdrawn.
Yes, my lord, I had the instruction, my lord. My official, my lord, has communicated to the private respondent of petitioner, my lord, whether he has filed a writ petition. He said, no, I have not filed. So he had asked me to withdraw so I suggested that I cannot withdraw, you ask your advocate to withdraw the writ petition, my lord.
Oh, so the petitioner wants to withdraw.
Withdraw, my lord, yes, my lord.
He's been
He
informed.
do not want to pursue the matter.
So you get proper directions.
Yes, yes.
If he
No,
wants-
I already received the directions because petitioner was here and he was some.
He doesn't want to withdraw.
No, he doesn't want to withdraw. He was in confusion. That
He
that was.
says, my lord,
Okay.
he's
Want to withdraw, so we'll dispose of it here only, that to address to the representations made. Then at the motion stage, limited prayer.
no,
Yes.
Dispose of, isn't it? Anyway, heard Mr.
M Nivo.
M. Digo,
Mm.
learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed this writ petition on the grounds that wait, let's see.
Ground that the petitioner.
Wait, make it very short. On the grounds that
Petitioner had participated in NIT numbers also.
that the petitioner had participated in the NIC against CD block, is it Parsi Parlo, wide NIT number BDO / PP / NIT / BBP / 2023-2024, which was held on 24/09/2024. However, his tender, is it? His what? What was rejected?
My lord,
However, his tender documents
tender document has been rejected
was rejected
without assigning any ground.
without assigning any grounds for the rejection. Stop. The learned counsel submits that aggrieved by the said rejection, he had made representations dated 04/10/2024 and 17/10/2024 to the Secretary Rural Development, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, asking that he may be furnished, he may be informed of the reasons for
Grounds on.
rejection. However, till date, there is no response to the representations made by him. The learned counsel submits that the respondents may be directed to reply to his representations dated 04/10/2024 and 17/10/2024. I've also heard the standing counsel, okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for RT department. On hearing the submissions, who submits that the instant writ petition may be disposed of at the motion stage itself, considering the limited prayer made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, and that they would take necessary steps to address to the representations made by the petitioner. Having heard the learned counsels for both the parties and on considering that the instant writ petition is with regards to a limited prayer that the representations made by the petitioner dated 04/10/2024 and 17/10/2024 should be considered and responded by the respondents. This court find it fit to dispose of the instant writ petition at the motion stage itself by issuing a direction to the respondents. Number,
Two.
the department?
Two, my lord.
Wait,
Respondent was secretary is respondent number 2, my lord. But whether they
okay,
then
we
in
make
the
it respondents, okay, to the respondents,
my lord.
to consider the representations submitted by the petitioner dated again 04/10/2024 and 17/10/2024. With a speaking order within, how long will you take?
1 week, 1 month.
Within 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Okay, from the date of receiving a certified copy of the instant order. Accordingly,
My lord,
with petition number, yes, 469/2024.
My lord,
Stands disposed of as above, yes.
my lord, till such period, the status quo may be maintained.
No, my lord.
What?
Till such period, status quo may be maintained because if it
No,
is
no.
not, if ground is not furnished, then my very petition will be
Secretary
wasted.
is not a tender evaluation board. my lord. Tender evaluation board is something in the district, my lord.
Anyways,
No, whoever authority may be, at least till, so if they dispose justify, then the case is off.
My lord,
Nothing.
instruction is to withdraw the writ petition, my lord.
no, then they will address to this. If
Yes.
you're unhappy with that, then you can come afresh.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when you come afresh, then we can stay the whole matter.
Yes.
My lord, if the process is continued, the very purpose of petition serve no,
My very first submission was that there was instruction to withdraw the writ petition.
no,
Okay?
no.
Petitioner
No,
called up me, my lord.
But he has to, it says this thing, no?
Yes.
Isn't it?
So no stay, my lord.
Anyway, so we'll leave it at that.
Yes,
for
My
the
lord,
time
at
being.
least status quo may be maintained. Otherwise, my lord, just assume if it is
Okay,
just
okay,
without any
okay,
observation,
okay.
No, no,
then
my lord,
the
no
very-
stay, my lord. No, because there is a necessary party also, my lord. Tender evaluation board is necessary party.
Then-
Secretary does not know anything, my lord.
then dispose of within 1 week.
It might be in the district.
Yes, as to why,
Ah.
okay, we'll make it 2 weeks. So
Yes,
that no,
2
this thing,
1 week
within
also is
2
okay,
weeks.
but dispose of till the such period, is
Within 2 weeks, you will get the reason.
Yes.
And then
It's the same
only you will know whether you have a case or not.
Yes, my lord.
You see, right now you don't know whether you have a case or not also.
Yes.
Because it could be a very reasonable reason as to why you're this thing, and you don't have a right, you don't have the right
My
to
lord,
have your NIT,
yes,
your tender to be accepted.
Yes, my lord.
You
It's
have to
settled law.
prove that, no?
Till that, if the status quo is maintained, so nothing is going to harm
No,
them
no, my
also.
lord. The tender
No,
process has
within
been
2
initiated, my lord.
Within 2 weeks,
Yes,
nothing
ma'am.
will take
Yes, ma'am.
place. Okay. Then, because there could be a very valid reason as to why this thing has not been considered. And also you do not have the right to be chosen also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, definitely. If they have the ground, last time also and last occasion also I have expressed that if they express the valid ground, I have no case. And if they
So you don't know whether they have a valid ground or not, you know, so find out first.
Yes,
We'll leave for
Obliged.
some time. Okay. We'll leave it for that.
Malad, without
Leave it.
Malad, within 2 weeks, no,
After 2 weeks. Okay.
within
2
2 weeks,
Nothing. Pardon?
within 2 weeks, no.
No, they give them time because the order.
No, otherwise,
has to be-
Malad, if they take long time and the
Just
very
2
tender will be
weeks.
finished up.
2 weeks, 2 weeks. We have said 2 weeks. 2 weeks, nothing much will happen.
And then at least
Because then it would not be in the interest of the public, no? If only for your
Developmental
case, the
activities
whole
for the
thing
case.
has been staged. Unless you show, because you yourself has not said that you have complied with all the everything and that you have just made a representation. So you have to address the representation first.
no, I have made that I have complied all the necessary documents. That is fact. I have submitted in the petition also. Just I was concerning about the representation, having status quo position. That was because what I need was the justice.
Just to make it the whole process of the said NIT is not bit to be finalized.
No, my lord.
Yes,
No
yes.
such, my lord.
Yes,
Here,
still
my
the
lord,
disposal of the representation.
my lord, the instruction, my lord.
No.
Petitioner is here in
Has
UP,
been
my lord.
disposed of.
My lord, may I, my lord?
Uh-huh.
Writ petitioner is in UP, my lord. He is here to withdraw the writ petition, my lord.
Till the disposal of the
No,
representation.
but withdraw or not withdrawal, that
Right, I can call him now, my lord. He is here, my lord. He said he has not swear the affidavit, my lord. Now that would be a
My lord,
different thing, my lord.
where does it show?
My lord,
Affidavit
writ
is
petitioner
there?
is here in UP, my lord. I can call him now.
Affidavit is here?
Yes, my lord. He says he has not authorized to file this writ petition, my lord. This is the instruction, my lord.
No, my
Just
lord.
now I have met him, my lord. He is in UP, my lord.
He was in front of me. Counsel was in front of me. The petitioner.
Leave it at that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Something
2 weeks,
happened.
that was all.
Well, till
Because the
Let
writ
me-
petition has been.
at least one observation, the may not be finalized. Till the disposal of the representation,
No.
my representation.
This petition has been disposed of, is
Yes,
disposed of today.
No. I'm praying that till the disposal of my representation.
This is your writ petition,
No, representation.
representation.
Till the disposal of the representation. No,
Developmental
not maybe
activities
finalized.
would not be, my lord, halted, my lord.
Till the disposal of the representation only. Not
See, the concerned authorities will also have
only 2 weeks, within 2 weeks, if they justify the post, then they may finalize the things as my
No,
lord
no, in
said.
that case, my lord, notice may be issued. This matter may be listed on Monday, my lord. I will bring the records, my lord. It's
See,
ground of
because
rejection, my lord.
So you leave it at that, within 2 weeks, the matter will be settled.
Yes, ma'am.
No. If the record is produced on Monday, that's far better. Then case automatically ends up if there's a valid ground.
What record?
Well, his ground of rejection, my lord.
Yes, that's far better.
Okay, then we'll
How
issue
what
notice.
notice,
We'll
yes.
issue notice.
Mm.
Okay, we'll issue notice then, isn't it? So let the first para be there. Okay, concerning the facts, okay. The learned counsel for the submits that all the required documents as per the NIT has been submitted by the petitioner, and that there are no grounds for rejecting his tender, his reply to the tender. In view of the above, issue notice
My lord.
to the respondents
to seek instruction, my lord.
Okay, no, we'll show notice, you get the
Well,
instruction.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, standing counsel accepts notice on behalf of the department, while Miss So-and-so, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Okay. The list. We'll make
Then,
a,
Learned Council submits that he's going to produce the
no representation need not be displayed.
Yes.
Okay. List, after 2 weeks.
My lord.
Let them reply.
Yes, my lord.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged,
my lord, till then it's going to be maintained.
my lord, no stay, my lord. Developmental
No, no,
activities, my
not
lord.
state
Otherwise-
fund finalize.
My lord, no
Yes,
observation.
finalized. Yes, that is sufficient.
Well, here the tender evolution board is a necessary party. Well, tender evolution board will submit what was the requirement that he has
You
faulted,
produce-
my lord. Well,
Issue
tender
council may
evolution
produce
board
the
is not a
documents.
party here, my lord.
Then after 1 week,
But
only
is
the
there,
till
is there, this
My lord, yes.
time, is there time in the tender that it's going to be finalized soon? or
my lord,
what?
they're proceeding at the final stage, and if the tender goes up, then what is the coming?
Well, then
what is the
this
clear-
matter may be my lord, be listed at 2, my lord. I will produce the petitioner, writ petitioner here, my lord. Writ petitioner is here in the UPI campus, my lord. He says he want to withdraw the writ petition, but the learned council is not withdrawing the writ petition. He is
Okay,
instead pressing the matter.
We'll make that subject.
No, my
Yes, ma'am.
my lord, this is wrong commission. I have consulted. I am the petitioner. I am the counsel for the petitioner. I cannot.
Just
I cannot
now
go
I
like
have
that.
been called, my lord. I have the number, my lord, of the writ petitioner, my lord.
They're called now.
Yes, ma'am. At 2, my lord.
Anyways,
That is a wrong allegation.
no, yeah, no need of calling. If you feel that the petitioner wishes to, let him, you come before the court with some written affidavit or something,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Not just a verbal thing. Okay, and then we'll see, isn't it? The learned counsel for the learned standing counsel further submits that he has been verbally informed by the petitioner that he no longer wishes to pursue the instant writ petition, and that he may be allowed, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Uh,
He wants to withdraw the writ petition.
Okay, he may be allowed to bring on record what, in the form of an affidavit?
Affidavit that he don't want to
the
pursue the
said matter in a form of an
affidavit.
in view of the list after 2 weeks.
Yes,
Lord,
ma'am.
that may not finalize. That may be
No,
there.
my lord, no observation as such. No
Till
observation.
till the disposal of the, within 1 week or 1 week, 1 week or 2 weeks may take short this time, and till such period
See, when is it supposed to complete the whole process?
they are evaluating that the matter has been already, the board member has already sent here at Itanagar, and it is learned, it is heard that the evaluation process is going on. So it may be done in day or two, and if it is done, then my very coming of
Till the next date of.
In
this
that
week.
case, my lord, I have one suggestion, my lord.
Huh.
My lord, what I say, my lord, let this matter be listed tomorrow. I will produce the record, my lord. I will produce
Okay.
the record, my lord. Copy of the record, the grounds of his rejection, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord. No, it's there, my lord. Developmental activities.
But in the grounds of rejection,
My lord.
okay, in the grounds of rejection, if he is going to contest the ground of rejection,
Then he has to file separate writ
petition, to again the filer, this thing.
Yes.
Join the, so
Yes.
it's still going to continue.
No,
for
he
quite
has to
some
file,
time.
then he has to withdraw the writ petition and to file separate writ petition, my lord. By way of missed case, he cannot challenge the appeal
Wait,
order.
let's see the prayer portion.
Yes.
Is it just to, for his representation to be addressed to, or what?
number one is for direction to the respondent authority for cancellation of the tender so and so, so and so. That is no number. Number two, for consideration and disposal of the repetition dated so and so, 0/10/2017 for 2024, and in the interim it is prayed that such the NIT may be.
Reasonableness of the rejection also on that ground then. See, because the number one prayer is for cancellation of the tender.
My lord.
Okay, so we cannot, if it was his verbal submission was accepted and he doesn't press the first point of his prayer, then we could have disposed it off. But now if it is going to continue in this way, then we cannot limit it to only
That
the
is-
representation.
Yes, ma'am. That is why, my lord, I am suggesting, my lord, let this matter be listed tomorrow. I will produce the record. I will furnish him the copy of his ground of rejection, my lord. Let it be on tomorrow.
Okay, so no, the ground of rejection means you are going to submit your counter affidavit tomorrow.
Not counter, by way of written instruction, but the records, my lord. His ground of rejection, any board proceeding, my lord. Minutes of the board, my lord.
See, but now if the writ petition is going to go in the proper manner, okay, in the proper procedure, then it is not only the ground of rejection.
But that ground of
It is
rejection,
also for a direction. So it's not only the rejection, you have to also explain as to why it was rejected. This is the ground of rejection. This is so it's not only addressing to his representation now.
my lord, that's why, my lord, I will produce the record and interim may be considered tomorrow, my lord. The interim may be considered tomorrow, my lord.
Okay, interim prayer will be considered tomorrow.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
much, okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that an interim order may be passed so that the said NIT estate till the disposal of the said writ petition. This prayer for an interim order is to be heard on tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, on tomorrow. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Obliged.
Most obliged.
Yes.
My lord, matter is regarding challenging the legality and validity and quashing and setting aside the impugned transfer order dated 29th September 2024 by the Education Department. My lord, I am transferred from Dapurijo to Khonsai, Your Honor, only because there was respondent has acted only because of the influence and consideration of the local MLA, Sri Rodhaboy, Your Honor.
So many cases like
Your
this. Yes, where's the
This is,
letter of the MLA?
This case is, and look, then we see 458, that is file. Same, Your Honor, same order. Everything is same. Respondent, all the respondents are same, especially, Your Honor, my lord, private respondent number 6.
So this is transfer and posting order dated, it is 19/9. In this,
My lord,
what
according
you
to-
say, if it is the same order, then is
It was digitally signed, it was
order-
it was digitally signed on 19, Your Honor.
No, let me see. Okay, 19/9, same order
Yes, my lord, same order.
as that of WPC 458/2024, is it? So the same order has been placed before this court and the concerned MLA is the same?
Yes, my lord, same.
Now, in this order, 19/9, there are how many people?
Totally,
73.
my lord, 73.
73 people, my lord.
So all the 73 persons, if they are aggrieved, they all are going to come to this court, is it?
My lord, I all agree, whosoever agree, my lord, that's
Those with
My lord,
this, some of
in the-
them are not aggrieved.
may not
because-
be, my lord.
Yes.
So that's why, my lord, whether it has been initiated at the behest of MLA or not, my lord, it will only, the record will, the reveal, my lord, will file the affidavit and that only,
Okay, so
other,
we'll pass a similar order and let all these matters be clubbed together,
my lord.
isn't it? So it is, this is in, a copy of this order will be here, okay? This is WPC 458/2024, okay? So it will be here, same order, and then we will say that the 458, WPC 458/2024. No, this instant WPC, okay, is to be clubbed together along with WPC 458/2024. Since these are analogous matters. Okay. So it will be 6, 7 and 8.
Yes, my lord, same.
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 Okay, So serial number 6, 7, and 8, same order, and then these matters to be clubbed along with this one, okay? And they are to be listed on after 3
After
weeks.
3 weeks. All right.
Now, besides this 458, is there any other matter, WPC?
Yes, my lord, there is a matter.
Which one?
Uh,
All of them should be clubbed together.
regarding your, my lord, I don't know rest of the party, but there
But
is.
there's one matter, my lord.
There must be one
One matter left, my lord.
maybe you
Just I'll
stop-
find out the number, my lord.
Yes.
I'll inform.
All of them have to be clubbed together. That is one. 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 or 6 matters will have to be
Yes.
clubbed together. Yes.
2 matter earlier taken up.
Two. So one matter here which has brought,
Yes.
one more matters.
One more.
My lord, before I have mentioned the 5 matter, that was unlisted, your honor, my lord, but this matter is same only.
So we'll wait tomorrow and
We'll
club
see
it all
tomorrow.
together.
Yes.
Yes.
Much obliged.
This up to 8. Yes.
All
Up
of
to 8.
them, same.
My lord, this 9, my lord. 9, 10, my lord. 10 is the petition. 9, my lord, it is the IA filed by the private respondent for vacation of interim order, my lord. Now, since this is matter club up, my lord, I'll just take up the on matter on, I'll start on merit, my lord, taking up the writ petition, my lord. My lord, to just highlight the fact, my lord.
Not the IA, this an IA, not the IA.
Yes, my
The
lord, because it's,
petition.
since the earlier the IA was praised, but when considering this, this was listed today, my lord, for consideration on merit, my lord.
The writ petition.
Yes, my lord. So my, just to understand this gist of the case, my lord knows there's a guidelines, the
Okay,
transfer
forget
post.
about transfer.
Yes, transfer posting guidelines wherein adopted by the government of national, wherein there's a provision that a person who is at the verge of retirement, he should not be transferred before 1 year of the retirement period. This is uniformly applied in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, when he was at the verge of retirement, transfer was initiated at the behest of MLA. Now, department having considered and exercising their wisdom and applying the provision of the guideline, he has been allowed to stay in the present place of posting
not be
till,
transferred.
yes, till superannuation.
Ah.
He's getting the superannuation in January. There's hardly 2 months left for his retirement. Now, in the meantime, that a transfer order, earlier transfer order, that is, there's no quarrel and I have no any grievance against, it's in my favor because I have been allowed to continue in the place of posting till my superannuation. Now, suddenly, that order has been modified, directing the private respondent to take charge immediately. So I'm agreed by that subsequent order, and that is why a writ petition has been filed.
Wait, is the private respondent?
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So I'll take, my lord, in the writ petition, page 17, my lord.
17.
Page, it's a guideline of writ petition.
Yes.
No.
Circular.
Yes, page 17, it's a guideline. Clause 1D. Officer not to be transferred 1 year before retirement, as it may affect the preparation of their pension paper, etc. However, generally, officer posted in the field work division should be posted out to the office headquarters 1 year before retirement. That if the person who is in the verge of retirement has to be transferred, then transfer must be done before 1 year, not within within 1 year, but it should be done prior to 1 year. This is the guideline. Now, my lord, you see page 21.
Tapped
Page
copy.
21, type copy is 22. Page number 22 is a type copy. This your note was initiated by the local MLA. So and so, my lord, transfer and posting of so and so. That is private response. I'm writing this so and so, my lord. My lord, basically basing on this, your note transfer was initiated, and the authority having considered, my lord, this at page 23, my lord, this the first transfer order, 17 July 2024, transfer order was issued at page 23, my lord. My lord, serial number 11. Sri so and so, my lord, posted as, my lord, see column, as EER Nari Division Vice so and so, Joy Koyu is a petitioner, my lord. Sri so and so Karo Rokpu, this is private respondent, will take charge of the Nari Division on 1st February 2025 after the superannuation of Sri Joy Koyu, that petitioner. That is, I'm retiring on 31st January 2025. I have no agreement. This is in my favor. As part of this order, I'm continuing at the Nari Division as executive engineer, and I have even started my pension paper preparation there at Nari Division itself. Now, suddenly, impugn order has been issued at page 25.
Okay, so this is okay, but another one,
Page 25. Page 25, my lord. At page 25, call last para, my lord. Sri Karo Roku E, that is private respondent, and Sri Joy Koyu E under so division, wide so will take over the charge of their respective new place of posting on receipt of this order. That has been modified. Earlier order, I've been retained there till my superannuation. Now this and with receipt of this order, immediately transfer the charge handling and taking has taken place, my lord. Now I challenge this order, my lord, and there's an interim order, in my favor, my lord. Now, the reason for modifying this order, my lord, there's no any admissive exigency. We have filed an affidavit in opposition. Even in the IA also we objected the file this we brought on record the prayer made by the private respondent for alteration, my lord. Now, affidavit reply, my lord. Affidavit reply to the affidavit. No, my lord. In the main writ.
Okay, you have made a reply affidavit.
Yes, reply affidavit also, my lord. Reply to the affidavit opposition filed by private respondent. At page 51, my lord, reply affidavit of the private respondent.
Petitioner.
Yes, reply affidavit filed by petitioner in response to affidavit opposition filed by respondent 3. And we have annexed the detailed file noting.
Yes.
Right from page 46 that obtained through RTI. Now relevant page at page 51. Page 51, it relates to the issuance of first transfer, that is transfer order dated 17 July 2024, wherein I have been allowed to retain as an executive engineer Nari Division till my superannuation on 31st January 2025. Now, this is the reason, my lord, page 51. The proposal at serial number so-and-so is made as per recommendation by your note so-and-so. If a proposal at serial number 6 is considered, Sri Karu Rukpo, the private respondent, he may be allowed to take over the charge of E Nari Division on 1st January 01/02/2025, after superannuation retirement of Sri Joy Koyu on 31st January 2025, to avoid litigation as faced in the case of Hage Tajang EE and Sri Thangpong Thangha EE Longding Division last year. This is similar, it is cover up case, my lord. There is also,
Covers the judgment. in
my lord,
case.
this judgment. It is, there was coordinate bench also, and that coordinate bench as well, and the division bench also held in favor. This is squarely covered, my lord. This division bench, and we have also on similar footing the coordinate bench also we have the decision. This is division bench. Interpreting the same provision of clause 1D of the transfer posting guideline of Arunachal Pradesh. Interpretation before retirement, 1 year. This has been settled, my lord. Now this cannot be done, my lord. Now this is, my lord, with regard to the how my transfer order has been with the region of this, my lord, there's a settled the decision held by the honorable division bench, my lord, that this cannot be done. Basing on this region order has been passed that let the petitioner be remain there in Nari division till superannuation. Now subsequently, my lord, page 59, how the transfer order, earlier transfer order has been modified. The reason has been given there, page 59.
Yes.
Page 59, man. In the same recent order placed also, Sri Karu Rokbo EE transferred posted to Nari division against Sri Joy Koyu has appealed for allowing him to take charge of division on the basis of guideline so and so, man. That officer not to be transferred 1 year. Malu, this is now what to be considered, what to be seen here is that, Malu. This modification is not based on any administrative exigency, but on the basis of the request of the private respondent. The request, the modification with the order based on the private respondent, it cannot be treated or construed as an administrative exigency. But this is well settled, madam. For administrative exigency, public interest, there should be an overriding public interest.
Wait, so this reason giving to them, hence, page 59, let's see the hint.
Yes,
hence.
as the condition given in the said order may be reviewed and allow him to take charge of Koyu PW division and Sri Joy Koyu Nari division under so and so Pasigat may be directed to join in new place earliest. Now, my lord, earlier order, my lord, I have been allowed to continue in the Nari division. Now, the reason for modification is his appeal. He made the request. The private respondent made a request. Now, this has become settled principle of law that any modification made on the basis of request of the private individual cannot be treated as an administrative exigency. And that cannot be. And that cannot be allowed to hold the field, my lord. This is well settled, my lord. We, even the coordinate bench also well settled in that aspect, my lord. I have placed that.
The
also.
judgment.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Now,
this is a division bench judgment, now a coordinate bench.
Yes, it's regarding the modification, any transfer order at the request of the private individual cannot be treated as an administrative exigency, be it by government employees. That the modification should be excised by excising the wisdom of the authority on administrative exigency, not on the basis of the request made by the private individual. That is, if it is done on the basis of the private individual request, then it is treated to be illegal, malified, and it cannot be allowed to hold in the field. Now, my lord, in my respectful submission, now this is all the background how this modification has been taken place. Now, at page, since I have already stated, I have already started my pension paper at the Nari division. My lord, my detailed pension paper preparation, I show annex at page 62 onward, showing details I have been. My lord,
Okay, yes, pension preparation already started.
it started there, Nari. Now, madam, now my humble submission, without prejudicing anybody, madam, my only respectful submission, my learned friend agrees. Let a petitioner continue as it is earlier transfer till superannuation at the Nari division without prejudicing. And the moment I retire, he will assume that is if agree with my learned friend agreed. Man, that is my without prejudicing. Otherwise, my lord, if you agreed, if enter into the merit, the modification order does not stand, cannot stand on test of the scrutiny of the law, my lord. That's why, man. In my respect, without prejudice, let petitioner continue
Okay.
till
fine.
superannuation.
Yes,
My lord, I filed IA for vacation of the interim order, my lord. In fact, my lord, petitioner, he was serving in Nari, Nari
she said
division
he's
for
not
5 years,
pressing-
my lord.
Pressing the vacation, it's on the main case. Writ petition.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, as per the merit of the case also, my lord, may see that the petitioner has served the division for last 5 years, my lord. And the transfer posting policy of the state says that one should, the tenure.
Okay, he's been in last 5 years.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Therefore, my lord, he was transferred, and my lord has seen the transfer and policy, my lord, that has been annexed by petitioner and as well as by the private respondent, my lord. It says, my lord may kindly once again come to the transfer and posting policy, my lord.
My lord, that has been settled. This interpretation has been well settled by division bench, my lord.
My lord.
This thing. Let him make a submission.
Yes, my lord. My lord, let us come to my lord.
Page 17.
Yes, 1D, my lord,
Oh,
page 17.
yes.
It is, officers are not to be transferred 1 year before retirement, as it may affect preparation of their pension papers, etc. However, generally, officers posted in the field work divisions should be posted out to office headquarters 1 year before retirement, madam.
1 year.
Yeah,
before.
that is true, madam. Let me submit, madam. Why he could not be transferred out 1 year before his retirement, my lord? There is a reason, my lord. There is MCC, my lord, Model Code of Conduct, my lord. The election has just concluded, my lord. Therefore, since the MCC was in force, my lord, he could not be transferred out, my lord. The moment election was over, my lord, since he has overstayed in the station, my lord, he was transferred to headquarters, my lord. That is Pasighat, my lord. It is the district headquarters of Siam, my lord. He has not been transferred to any remote place, my lord. Therefore, considering his overstay in the station, my lord, he was transferred to Pasighat, which is the district headquarters of Siam, my lord.
Okay.
And the difficulty that was prevailing at that point of time was Model Code of Conduct, my lord. It is true that, my lord, he ought to have been transferred out 1 year before his retirement. But situation is such that, my lord, transfer was not possible at that
Okay,
point of
because
time.
of
MCC, my lord. That is the reason, my lord. But once the election process was completed, my lord, he was transferred out to this ease him that if he will post in the headquarters, my lord, it will be easier for him to get
Headquarters at
yes,
Pasighat,
my lord.
Headquarters at Pasighat.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
My controlling officer is superintendent in La Parada, madam, in different district, madam. Then the entire purpose and object of preparation of pension, it will be jeopardized. That is, madam, that's why this provision has been there.
Controlling officer is where?
Superintendent engineer La Parada.
Okay. Where
It's
is
in different
he-
district,
where he
madam.
is there. Okay.
Then, my lord, my brother has made a submission, my lord.
Yes.
He has misinterpreted the noting, pile noting, my lord. I have minutely gone through it, my lord.
What
The
misinterpreted?
respondent has not requested for transfer, my lord.
Okay.
My friend was trying to project it in a
Yes,
different way that respondent has tried has requested for transferring him from Pasigat to Nari.
Okay.
But it was the respondent did not make any request, my lord, for transfer, my lord.
Okay.
Transfer order was already issued, but he was refrained from taking the charge, my lord. That is why he has just made a request to allow him to take charge, my lord. He did not make any request for transfer
Okay.
him from Pasigat to Nari division, my lord. So
Okay, so he
therefore,
wants to take charge early.
yes, my
That's
lord. Transfer order was already issued, my lord.
all. Okay.
In compliance of that, my lord, he had made a request to the authority to allow him to take charge. That's it, my lord. He had not made any request for transfer, my lord.
Fine, heard. Anything else?
Yeah, yes, my lord. Says, my lord, I too have some reservation, some consideration as for the petitioner, my lord, since he will be returning from the service within next
Few
2
months
months,
now.
my lord.
Next 2 months.
So
I think we'll just allow.
then, my lord,
I'll pass my order.
then,
But-
my lord,
But
my-
I will not
yes.
mention that.
Yes, then, my lord, in that case, my lord, may I submit that, my lord, this writ petition may be allowed, it's okay, but an observation may be made, my lord. It may be that, my lord, after his superannuation, the government may
Yes,
issue
no,
Allow
no.
fresh transfer order, my lord. So, my lord may,
No,
There's already there.
this order, there's already this order saying that.
Earlier order is
once-
there.
Once he leaves on the same superannuation, he will take charge, so that will stand.
That will remain as it is, my
that
lord.
may be observed, my lord. That
And
may be
the
observed with the
17
order, my
July
lord.
order will
Yes,
remain.
that observation made.
Yeah, observation, otherwise, my lord, I have some apprehension, my lord, government might
Yes,
issue
yes,
press.
yes. So we will not mention that you are
Yes.
you're slightly conceding, that we'll not mention.
Oh,
We'll say that we have strongly objected,
My lord.
but we'll allow.
no.
We'll, in the order, which I will pass later,
My lord,
I'll say that you have strongly objected,
my lord,
but we have allowed.
yes.
Okay,
And
I'll
my,
pass the order later.
yeah, my lord may also.
And that the
ob-
previous one, which was not challenged, 17 July.
Yes.
That will remain
That
as
will
it is.
remain.
My lord may,
In the 17 July, he is
Ye-
going to go there.
Yes.
After he is this thing on superannuation. That's there, so that will remain.
that's maybe specifically mentioned, my lord.
Yes, we mentioned.
Specifically mentioned, my lord.
That will remain as it is.
So that, my lord, my position is also secured, my lord, after
Yes,
his
yes, he will
retirement.
go, definitely, after he leaves.
Yes,
Deeply obliged.
Fine. I'll pass the order later.
my lord. Oh.
Yes. What is the step?
Ma'am, we have taken steps to,
First steps for service of notice. Respondent number 2.
yes, ma'am.
So is it complete?
Yes, we
Not
have
yet.
taken the step.
You have yet to take steps.
No, we have taken the step.
We have taken, so
On,
we'll wait for a return of service of notice, isn't it? Mr.
T. Chishi.
T. Tishi, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and submits that fresh steps for issuance of notice to respondent number 2 was taken on. When was it taken?
It was taken on 1st October.
Okay, 1st October 2024. In view of the above, we may await for return of service of notice upon respondent number 2, lest after 3 weeks.
Ma'am, kindly a short date may be given.
Why?
Because like, I want to
Okay,
mention,
list after 2 weeks.
ma'am, can I mention one thing?
Huh.
Actually, like this is an all case which has been instituted in the year 2022.
Huh.
And as per the direction of the court, we have taken a step multiple times. However,
So
like,
we'll have to return, wait for return. No? So list after 2 weeks, we'll wait for the return of service of notice.
Right.
Okay, because you have taken fresh steps. Where does he reside? Somewhere near or far? Respondent number 2.
One is in
Only
Rajasthan and
one
one is in.
person, respondent number two.
Yes, ma'am.
How
Wait,
can there be two respondent number twos?
We have furnished two fresh address, ma'am.
Oh, so fresh steps upon respondent number two. Where is he? Who's respondent
One is in
number-
Rajasthan and one is in Itanagar itself.
There are two respondent number twos.
No, there is only one respondent, but the business is taking place in two different states.
Okay, oh. So at least the one in Netanagar, if he receives, it should be okay, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh. After 2 weeks.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, respondent number 7.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm appearing for respondent number 7. We've already filed our
Okay.
wakalatnama.
Miss
T.Y. Bhutia.
T.Y. Bhutia, learned counsel for respondent number 7 submits that they have filed their affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
No, Your Honor,
Right.
we filed our wakalatnama. We will be needing some more time to file our.
Oh, you need some more time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, your lordship.
Has prayed for further time to file their affidavit in opposition, okay?
Yes, that's the affidavit on regarding respondent number 8. We have taken that's the service. We'll file affidavit. Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they have filed the affidavit to prove that the last service
Respondent number 8. yes.
was made upon respondent number 8. Where is it?
After a week, lordship.
Huh?
After a week, listed after 2 weeks.
Oh, you have not filed?
Not filed yet.
Okay, has also prayed for further time to file the affidavit to prove that notice was served to respondent number 8 through Dusty. Okay.
Yes.
In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
2 weeks. lordship.
Will it be ready by 2 weeks?
Yes, Your Honor.
In view of the above, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Their names.
Your Lordship, in item 19, Your Lordship, records were called for, Your Lordship. I have not received the records yet, Your Lordship. 1 week time may be granted, Your Lordship, to get the records.
My lord, actually today's matter is big sport that this IA. Last occasion, the call for that respondent number for the record from the learned deputy commissioner.
So wait, let's see, IA, this is the IA. You are the counsel for government
Yes.
advocate, having considered the claim. So in the last court's order, having considered the claim and counterclaims of the parties,
Yes.
Ms. R. Basar, learned government advocate, is directed to obtain the records
Yes.
from the deputy commissioner, Peke Kesan. So.
I have not received the records yet, Your Lordship. So 1 week, Your Lordship.
Mr.
PV.
P. Puya, learned counsel for the, this is in the IA, okay, in,
Yes.
for the applicant is present.
Actually, my lord, that the matter is very serious. Actually, this is the earlier the obtain the interim orders very mislead the dishonorable court. So that I filed this IA. So my lord, the matter may be fixed for very shortly. Pake
1 week, Your Lordship.
Kasang is very nearest, only for the 150 kilometers
Yes, we
from
need
here.
the records, isn't it? Is present one Miss R.
Basar.
Basar, learned government advocate for the state respondents, has prayed for further time to obtain the record from the deputy commissioner, Pake Kesang, in terms of this court's order dated
Yeah.
30/09/2024. In view of the above, this after 1
After a
week.
week, Your Lordship. Obliged.
After my lord, after
1 week.
the particular date may be my lord fixed. Because of that is
On 11th November.
11th November.
On 11th November. No, that's no, more than 1 week, on 4th.
Port
November.
November. Obligation.
Obliged.
Yes.
I'm in item number 19, I'm appearing for opposite party 1-2. Interim order may be continued.
What was 19? We have already passed an order. What was it? I don't remember.
No, there is interim order in the matter.
Okay,
So earlier
item
interim
number
order.
19. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. 19. So now 21. You are for
May I
the
please?
petitioner. Yes.
Lordship, I am for respondent. for
Okay,
the-
respondent.
Yes.
Oh.
Your Honor, Lordship, actually, I received a message from that petitioner. Actually, they are unable to connect with that web. Actually, they unable to connect on web. So they asked me to seek time.
You are for the petitioner or for the
So
respondent?
I'm for the respondent, and the petitioner also called me.
Anyway, Miss
Why Karga?
Waikara, Learned Counsel for the respondent. You see, you should not pray for the petitioner. They should be just be absent.
Okay.
Is present while none appeared for the petitioners. We are
Lordship, no, I'm.
in view of the above. List.
Lordship, it may be fixed in the December first week. Your Lordship, actually, this matter is already pending in DRT.
Okay, in view of the above, as spread for list during the first week of December.
Yes.
Lordship, my sincere apology for untimely appearance, but I missed the opportunity to mention this morning one unlisted matter to be listed for tomorrow, Lordship, which needs your urgent education.
What is the urgency?
This is a IA relating to WPC 350 of transfer matter, wherein I was transferred to a place of transfer where it involves.
This is tomorrow.
Obliged.